practice of gratitude. Whatever you want to bring in your life, unless and until you are not grateful for what you have, you are breaking a divine law. You're breaking a divine law. We got to understand our present energy. Is it filled with gratitude for what I already have or no? If it's not filled with gratitude, how am I demanding more? How am I asking for more? So gratitude is a beautiful universal energy that makes your mind ready to receive. Whatever you are lacking in your life today, observe. Observe that area that is lacking. Were you grateful enough for that area? Most people start becoming grateful and realize the importance of their health after they start getting health issues. Most of us value our jobs after we have lost our jobs. Are we grateful? Because gratitude prepares you to receive. You should know whether you are actually feeling the depths of gratitude in your heart or not. And for you to experience the practice of gratitude, you must every day write down what you are grateful for. Put 5 things down every day, every single day of your life. And if you want to experience going into the depths of gratitude more and more, then you should write down that I am grateful for this because I am grateful for my job because. The moment you answer the because, automatically you see you are going into the depths of gratitude. You're feeling the value and the power of what you already have. That is a great way to consciously redirect your thoughts and energy towards the good that you desire to bring into your life. Whether you're a student, whether you're a professional, you need to understand how your energy can beautifully transform with gratitude. Every day, write down 5 things that you are grateful for and write down why you're grateful for. Because there are so many people, so many of my students who come back and tell me, I'm doing gratitude every day, ma'am, but it's not changing how I feel. And then I realize they are simply putting gratitude as a mechanical exercise. I'm grateful for my parents, I'm grateful for my body, I'm grateful for my work. Over. It doesn't bring you any change. Does it change your energy when I said these things? Did it connect with you? No. So you need to include the because. Why are you grateful? If you do that, you reprogram your mind. You start triggering the subconscious mind to flash good memories. And then automatically, because your focus is on the good that you have, your brain starts giving more and more pictures of good things, good experiences. So your vibration is changing because of gratitude. And every time the vibration is changing, the result, my dear friends, is also changing. Because the vibration controls the result. You cannot claim to have got a negative result if you have been in a good vibration. Most people think, I did not focus on the bad thing. How did it happen to me? Probably because they are not conscious of the vibration they are. That is why it is suggested to connect with your feelings. How am I feeling every few hours in the day? Because that is the right way to know whether you are in the right vibration. And when you include the practice of gratitude, automatically you are training yourself to focus on the source of abundance within you. You see, when a person writes gratitude, obviously they start to feel that they have something to be grateful for. And because there is a feeling that I have, automatically the subconscious now tries to match your reality with this feeling. Oh, she has, he has. So it tries to bring more and more so that you get more and more this feeling that I have this in my life. So you attract abundance the moment you are grateful for whatever you have in your life.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.